Let's get started with part 4 of lab 2. So in this example here, we're going to be looking at Hawaii. And as we know, Hawaii is a hotspot. And a hotspot means that the lithosphere is moving over a hot spot in the asthenosphere and creating volcanoes as it goes. One way of thinking of this might be if you had a candle and you were passing a piece of paper over it, then as you pass the piece of paper over it, it would burn a little hole in the paper, and each one of those holes would get a little bit younger as you move to that exact spot where the paper was right over the flame at that moment. So you'll be looking at this map of Hawaii here, and once again you have a scale bar here for measuring distances. And you also have how old each of these Hawaiian islands are reported here. So Kauai is 4.7 million years old, Oahu 2.5 million, Maui is 1.1 million, and currently the hotspot is right underneath the island of Hawaii, where it's putting up magma that's contributing to all these volcanoes. Because you have to measure from one point here, when you're measuring from here, I ask you to use Mauna Kea as your reference for 0 time. So Mauna Kea is this volcano here. So when you're measuring to Maui, you'll measure the distance from here to here using this scale bar here. So you just twist that around, measure the distance. Each one of these, it represents, every time it turns from white to black, it's 30 more kilometers. So this is 30, 60, 90, 120 kilometers. You may have to use it more than once. Remember, you're going to want to have distance in centimeters. So you'll add 5 zeros to it, to whatever your distance in kilometers is. And then for number of years, this is 1.1 million. So we would write that out as 1,000,000. It also asks you to draw an arrow on this map to show which direction you believe the lithosphere is moving over the asthenosphere. Once again, think of a piece of paper moving over a candle, and also explain why you chose that direction to draw your arrow.